Here is a numerical type question on general organic chemistry. Read the data carefully and work through the numbers. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the compound. The structure shown is a bicyclic compound based on a decalin, bicyclo, 4.4.0, decane, skeleton where the left ring contains AC is equal to C double bond and the right ring bears a ketone, C is equal to O, at one position and an aldehyde, CHO, at another position. Moving on to the next step. Identify each functional group present. Functional group 1, ketone, C is equal to O, carbonyl within the ring, this is the C is equal to O shown at the top of the right ring. Functional group 2, aldehyde, CHO, this is the CHO substituent shown at the lower right of the right ring. Functional group 3, alkene, C is equal to C double bond, this is the carbon-carbon double bond visible in the left ring. Moving on to the next step. Count the total number of functional groups. Ketone 1 plus aldehyde 1 plus alkene, C is equal to C, 1 is equal to 3 functional groups total. And for the final step, verify no other functional groups are present. There are no hydroxyl, amine, ester, ether, or other groups in the structure. The remaining framework is saturated carbons, CH2 groups, which are not functional groups. Therefore, the correct answer is 3. Therefore, the correct answer is 3.